southbound lane from Freeport interchange. There was an accident earlier this morning involving a PTSC coach bus and a truck. Sadly, the PTSC driver and a passenger lost their lives. Now, people's condolences go out to the families during this difficult time. Preliminary reports indicate that the truck pulled out from the shoulder and the PTSC bus tried to avoid hitting with a collider. Preliminary reports also indicate that 23 passengers was evacuated by the Trinidad Police Service and they were taken to the hospital, including the driver of the truck. That's all the information I have at this time.
I must send condolences to the person's family, and I'm hoping that it was done in a respectable manner where social media did not send that message to the family. I would like to call that we must not allow this to happen. These things happen, and many a times the family sees their relative on social media in a manner which is not what we would want to appreciate. So we hope that it was done in a responsible way to inform members of the family what took place. That's my biggest concern. However, I want to also give some commendations to the police officers who were passing at the time and seeing what took place. They immediately went into effect. Now, and this is the part that we often speak about, rendering aid. Police officers executed their duty by rendering aid. They came, I understand they went and get a ladder and they activated different persons out of the area, and they must be commended for that. Right? Again, let me say condolences on behalf of the family. This matter will be investigated, yeah? And the chips will fall away.